Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I got a special treat for you guys. It's something that I grew up with as a kid, straight from Brazil. That's where I'm from, São Paulo, Brazil. It is a savory pastry, and out there they call it a pastel de carne. It's similar to what they do in Argentina, which is a beef empanada. This simple recipe is like so simple because I'm gonna cheat a little bit. You know, you can make the dough and all that stuff, but who has time to make the dough? So I'm gonna actually use wonton wrappers to make this. So let's get into this filling because I'm so excited. Let's do this. So we have oil here. I got a pan right here. So we're gonna add some oil. All right, and we're gonna go with the onions first. I got some chopped onions. There's that sizzle. You want that sizzle right there. Woo! We got some garlic. You need that garlic. Okay? So you're basically going to cook this down for a couple of minutes until it gets a little bit caramelized. You don't want it totally caramelized. We're going to add our beef in there. Alright. So I'm basically using 80-20, 80 lean, 20 fat. You can use 85-15, 90-10, whatever you guys want. You know, obviously the more fat, the better it is. You want to cook the beef all the way through. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, freshly ground pepper. Obviously we need some salt. I'm using kosher salt. If you don't have kosher, sea salt is fine. Tá tão gostoso. For all you Brazilians out there, que é gostoso, né? Gostoso is delicious. We are going to add some crushed tomatoes, right from the can, crushed tomatoes. I love the tomatoes in there because it becomes like a little bit creamy with the tomatoes in there. You know, you can do tomato paste if you want. You can do chopped tomatoes as well, but I'm just going straight up with just pureed tomato paste, pureed tomatoes I should say. All right, next step, Spanish olives. That's it, good old Spanish olives I chopped up. Got the little pepper inside there, the red pepper. So this is pretty much done. We're just going to add our final touch. Cilantro. I'm going to turn this down. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. Cilantro. I mean, look at this. Beautiful cilantro. So we're going to put this in a pan right now. So we can just let this cool down because it definitely has to cool down before you put it into your wonton wrappers. So be sure to cool it down. Alright, the meat has been cooled down a bit. Now I have my wontons on the cutting board. You can find wontons pretty much anywhere, and if you don't want to use wontons, you can use empanada sheets. They have those in the freezer section. Those are great as well, but I love the wontons because they're easy and they're light as well, and they cook pretty quickly. So let's get right into this. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of the meat mixture. We're going to put it right in the middle of the wonton here. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit of extra love. I've been keeping this as a secret. Here's my little tip. You want this creamy, ooey and gooey and delicious, we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese right in there. Right on top, the mozzarella. Now, you're gonna take some warm water here and you're gonna basically pat all sides of the wonton. And what that's gonna do is basically seal the other wonton that's gonna go on top. So you got that? So here you go. See that? Boom, 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 boom. Just seal that together. Looks like a big ravioli, basically. And then with a fork, we're just going to prick the edges on each side here. But make sure that this is sealed. That's the most important. And that water is going to seal it completely. There you go. See? Pretty easy. If you want to pick it up too, just go around a little bit just to make sure it's nice and sealed. Boom, there you have it. And all you got to do is repeat the process, which I'm going to be doing because I want a lot of these. Okay, so I got a deep fryer here that's at 375 degrees, so let's fry these babies up. Okay, so we're going to fry these up for about 3 to 4 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. Okay, the moment I've been waiting for. You gotta taste it, right? Look at this. Looks like a big ravioli. Look. But it's pastel de carne. So we're gonna get right into this. Oh my God. See the meat in there? And the cheese. This brings me back to my childhood like you will not believe. I'm gonna have to get one more bite. I'm sorry. Look. See that? That is insane. I love the cheese in there. I told you it's gonna be a little bit of creamy. You can taste the olives in there. Oh my God. And then the cilantro, so refreshing. All I need is an ice cold beer or Guaraná. That's actually a Brazil soft drink. I grew up with that stuff. I love this. You go to Brazil, every corner, like I said, you'll see this. Unbelievable. I mean, I want more. If you guys like this recipe, give us a thumbs up. I know that I like it. I'm sure you guys will like it too. The description to this recipe is going to be below, the full recipe. So check that out. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and make sure you click that notification bell there. That way you get all our recipes. And I actually want to do a little special shout out to my beautiful daughter Samantha, that's in New York. She got us this beautiful sign called Married to Food, which is our channel. I love you, baby. You know, it's my birthday. It's actually my birthday tomorrow. It's probably, oh wait, it's my birthday already, I think. June 5th. Thank you again. I'll see you guys next week. And eu vou comer porque eu tô com fome. Obrigado pro Brasil, obrigado para Nova York, obrigado para Los Angeles. Hope you guys understand what I said. All I said was thank you to everyone. I love you guys.